Hi everyone, so there have been many assumptions and projections about how this pandemic has impacted our lives and how it will do so going forward. But I think there's one thing we can all agree on, is that it has definitely disrupted the way we work and the job market in all. And so today I'm going to be bringing to you the top websites you can visit to improve your skills and in so doing keep up with the times. So number one, we have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional community with the largest network. On LinkedIn, you can learn skills that will help you both now and in the future. You can find jobs and internships, you can connect with people that would help you, and you can grow your community no matter what profession you're in. Number two, we have Upwork. So with over 12 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients, Upwork is the largest freelancer marketplace in the world. With Upwork, you can find businesses and professional individuals connecting and doing marvelous work remotely. Number three, we have Udemy. So Udemy is an online teaching and learning marketplace and the largest in the world actually. It has over 100,000 courses and 24 million registered students on its platform. With Udemy, you can learn skills across a wide range of topics, including those which are currently in high demand. This includes digital marketing, data science, crisis management, programming, and a whole lot more. Number four, we have Jiji Jobs. So in case you did not know, you can find highly rewarding and fulfilling jobs on Jiji. What's more is that Jiji gives you the liberty to be able to streamline your search to find out the jobs in your desired field as well as salaries within your desired salary bands. With Jiji Jobs, you can pick and choose from a wide range of jobs across different occupations. And so with this pandemic, if you feel that your career path is sure to go the way of the dinosaur, I'll advise you get on either of these websites ASAP. And so if you love this video, we would like for you to subscribe by clicking on the subscription button below. We'd love for you to also click on that bell so you'll be alerted anytime we post new and insightful content you would love. Please also follow us on all our social media channels and visit us on jiji.ng.